Good morning, friends, fellow traders. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. Today is Sunday, the 4th day of July 2021. The time now is 9:44 a.m. in Biafra, West Africa. I want to bring you cryptocurrency analysis. Yesterday, I made a currency pairs analysis. That's Forex. I posted on my channel. So go to there and view it. If you are Forex trader, about to go to silver and a few of them. So now is for cryptos. Before I proceed, I remember I kept saying that we are at the bottom of bear market. That the bear market of this time may not linger as usual. Some do not understand it. Some days ago, a friend on our WhatsApp group keeps saying that he will sell all his assets at about 80% to loss, or even more. Because why? I can understand he bought at the wrong time. This is why I always encourage you to spend a little money and learn for your own good. Okay, if you don't want to learn from me, learn from anybody that you know will teach you well. Instead of venturing into the trading and losing your money, why not spend little money and learn? This guy that is trying to sell his assets is about losing about $20,000. This is the knowledge. If he had maybe spent $500 or $1,000, he might have got the knowledge he needed to avoid this loss. But I tried to advise him not to sell his assets. I don't know whether he accepted my advice or not. Okay, that's the story for another day. So now this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, after I saw this, I said Bitcoin might not go below this. I remember I said it, that Bitcoin might not go below this. And as time goes on, I begin to see that I might be right. Now, people are saying that coin always go down during the weekend. Anyway, I didn't reply them. I just laughed because I know it makes no meaning. The market can go down any time, any day, any week. I trade forex most of the time. On Fridays, many people close their trades, but sometimes on Friday, before the market ends, I open positions. I know reason. I trade structures, sequence and swings, not days and weeks, not days of the weeks. So those are saying that Bitcoin goes down, coin goes down on weekend. What of yesterday? What of today? All this it doesn't make meaning. Once you know what is happening on your chart, you don't need to be worried whether Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. You just open your chart, see what is happening, then you know what we do next. Okay, now, what do we expect of Bitcoin? Excuse me. This is 4 hours chart, as you can see. On 4 hours chart, if the market close above this place, sorry. If the market goes above this place, the next is here. Once it goes above here, once this pair, let me change this color. Once this pair do something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, know that we are no longer talking about bear market. Hope because what I said, if we get this type of move, that is the proper break of this very line, know that we are no longer talking about bear market, at least for now. So those who are afraid Bitcoin is going to 20,000, 15,000, I'm saying it again, you might be disappointed. I have said more than 5 times on my video that those who are waiting for Bitcoin to go to buy Bitcoin below 20,000 and below maybe 20 or 24,000 will likely be disappointed. There was a time I advised those who watch my analysis to get ready to buy Bitcoin at 24,000. But when this happened, I told them, please buy your coin. That I'm no longer waiting for 24,000 again, because we might not get back there again. Even if it goes down, it doesn't make money because it will soon go up. Now, the coin did this. Now it's doing this. Once it does this is what we may get. Then this. So please, it's still time to buy your coin. That's my advice. If you're waiting for 20,000 or something like that, I wish you good luck. But the bad news there is that you may likely miss this bear market. The market is in a good price to buy now. Most of the coin. There are people who bought Bitcoin when it was 60,000. They did not die. They have the patience. The impatients have sold them off. So that's my own advice for you. That's what you benefit for listening to me and watching my analysis. So now let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see the market is making channel. It's making channel. After this is our blue box, but it remained about a little movement to go into the blue box. It didn't go there, but almost there. Somebody who went to exam and scored 95 of 100 is a very good pass mark. So it doesn't matter. It didn't come to the blue box as I thought it will. So that's to show you that no analysis is 100%. If you score 70, you are good. 80, you are good. So now, this is channeling. We may get this, get this, get this, get this. If we get this type of movement, we will likely get this, get this, get this before this. Then, if we get this type of movement, then forget about this. We will only get something like this and this. Hope you got what I said. This is two scenarios. If you get this, a kind of move in this yellow, right? And that is if this channel lingers more, we will get this type of move before this. But if we get a swift move above this very channel, then look for something like this. Then the buying will continue. So that's what I can tell you now about Bitcoin. Some coins are moving faster, buying faster. Some are still lagging. If I would open each one, I will tell you. Now this is another market. Ethereum BTC. I told you that I expect a reversal in the blue box. It's get to the blue box and it's going up and it's going very fast. I'll show you how it will likely go. It's doing just that. So no need of saying much things about this. Okay, no, it needs no much explanation. Okay, Ethereum USD. A break of this channel will trigger a strong buying, and you can see it is buying now and very strong. Okay, now let me show you something. I will stop talking about bear market once we get once the market closed above this very line, this very sharp move that was doing all this correction. Once the market goes above this place, once you get this type of move, then I will no longer talk about bear market again. So, but before that, something like this might still happen. We might get a move like this, maybe like this. But once we get a close above this very line, that is 2,800, 29 or thereabout, then the bullish move will now start properly. Now we are in pre-bullish market. We are in bullish market. The market can come this place and begin to go down and delay, but you may not likely see it do what it did here. You see, the market came here. The market came here. You see what it does. WXY. But I think if we go to this place again, we want to get that deep move. We want to get something like this. Something like this. Then we move on. But if it goes above here swiftly, then expect something like this. And this. So I think the bull market is coming back with full force. So I say again, don't sell your coin at loss. I keep saying it in all my videos, and I know why I'm saying it. Reason is that I know that those who trade this coin are fellow young men and women who are trying to make life better for themselves. And one thing I hate so bad is that when they are desperate to sell this coin, it is those rich men who have gotten millions and millions of dollars will buy it. They will cause some panic, and the inexperienced will sell, and they buy and get richer, and we are getting poorer. So listen to me. You are not paying me for this, but I am concerned because I know many fellow Africans are doing this. Young Africans who are suffering the lack we suffer in Africa. So I'm trying to help as many as I can. But if you ignore my advice, anyway, it's your money, it's my own money, but I have got some experience. That's why I do what I do. That's the way I can help now. So please pay attention when I talk to you about telling you not to sell your asset at loss, because I know it will still go up again. Don't believe everything that's said in the news. Those who take you, who make such news are trying to shake you up, trying to create fear in you. You sell out of fear, they will buy and get richer. You get poorer. So try to learn, try to know what they are doing. Okay, I continue. This is SRP. SRP is not doing. It's still lagging. SRP is one of the coins that are still lagging. But once Bitcoin begins to go up, others follow. So whether those that are lagging now will still catch up. So SRP, this is what I would like to see, something like this. This is what I would like to see on SRP. Yeah? So, but now it's still lagging. Let's go to 1 hour and see what we have there. SRP is one of my favorite coin. I like the coin so much. Okay, you can see this is the primary level for bullish move. What did we get there? It came to this place and did this. Break it, comes back again. It's going up again. Now I want to teach you something. Once the market comes and breaks the expected level for either bullish or bearish and goes back, keep watching how it moves. Just like what happened here. I put this line when the market came here, and I said once it breaks this place, it will go. Then it broke it and come back. Now, if after breaking it you see a move like this, what will you do? You close your trade. That is if it is a margin trade, because when you see this, you might see this and see this. But what do you do if it's an investment? You know you need more patience. Then if you are a margin trader, when you see this, you close it because it may still go down deeper. But it broke it and going sideways. So it's a sign of it won't go much. Break it again, sideways. Now it's breaking it, and this time I'm pretty sure it will do something like this. Let's keep watching SRP and the rest. Okay, BNB is also lagging. BNB is also lagging. I expect it to do better than this, but nevertheless, you can see it's a broken channel, and it's a sign of the market is moving away from bearish market. But look, as I have explained on other coins, once we get to this place, once we get here, once the market breaks this level, I won't be looking at this again. I'll be only looking at something like this. This is what I will be expecting now. This type of move, maybe like this, then this. So this is what I expect. But first of all, let it break this level. But now I'm pretty sure this market is going to this level. After that, this, then the main business will start. Okay. Let's check the 1 hour because I'm sure it. Okay, now the 1 hour you can see. You can see just as I explained on Ethereum, I think, or BTC. So as long as we get this very channel, if we keep getting this, then expect this. If not, if we get this, maybe something like this, then they look for something like this. So all is pointing to the north. That's the message. Litecoin is also lagging in swift movement, but once we close above this channel, something like this happens, then we get this. Okay, so let's check our 1 hour chart if I have it here. Okay, our Litecoin, the 1 hour chart has confirmed the bullish move. You can see this line has been there for long, and the market has broken it, though it came back, break it now, and it's going up again. Once it breaks this white channel, then watch it to go higher. Doge moved swiftly, but now is doing correction, which I thought it will do this something like this, then move sharply again, but it doesn't matter. Once we get a break of this level, the next level will be here. Then if we break it, then the next level will be, then bullish market is now back. You know, Doji is going to $1 as I thought it will before the market begin to go down. Then if this market begins to move, close above this place, go above this place, the next is $1. So if you have your Doge, no matter what they are tweeting, no matter what they say in Bloomberg or Financial Times or Wall Street, just hold your coin. You can only sell your coin as you plan to sell. Don't sell on panic. Don't buy on panic. Unless something happened and you need the money to survive, then you can sell. If not, don't sell. If you are selling your profit to somebody else. Because if you hold on, you make the profit at long run. So now 1 hour on Doge, there's no difference. You can see this channel has been broken gradually. So what we expect now is the price to come to this level. If it breaks it, do something like this, it will go up. So keep watching. Once Doji comes to 28.8, 28.29, that is 028, 029, 030, and upwards, then prepare for the more bullish move. ETN, Electronium. Electronium. Okay, Electronium have been performed under below expectation, but now you can see they are showing signs of move. I remember it's been long. I told you if Electronium breaks this yellow line, it will go up. Yeah, it did break it. It did broke it. You see, it broke it, but was doing consolidation, or it was doing correction, not consolidation. So now the correction is over. What do we expect next? This move, that is 0.00007 for 0076. This is the next target for Electronium. CHZ, Chilis Teterius. CHZ is also performing not as I expected. Nevertheless, once we break this level, look for this level. In all this I'm saying and doing is to encourage you to kill the fear in you, not to sell your market at loss. That's why I'm doing all this. So once CHZ breaks this level, it will do this, maybe something like this, then go up, or it will do something like this, a simple one, go up. Whether a simple one or a protected one, just know the break of this level will give us a fast move. That's it. The next is CRO. CRO is doing better than Chills and others. It has broken the lower channel, is going up. What we expect next? Something like this. A break of this, then this. But if we see a sharp move like this, then. But if we see this type of move, we might see this, just like I said on other coins. If the side wave continues, we might see a break of it then before the up move. But if I see a sharp move going farther, then the bullish market is drawing faster than we think. CRO, okay, this is the 1 hour. So, excuse me, please. Sorry for that's my daughter. Always disturbing. Okay. Okay, now I just wanted to count this. Sorry for that. I don't count. I don't label these charts. You know, Elliott Wave that we like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, S, Y, C, all this. One of the reasons is that I don't have the time. If I am to label all the charts, I will be analyzing fewer pages. But I think it's better to cover many than to select 10 or 12, so that I will label them. But whether I label them or not, what matters is you know where the market is going. That's what will make you money, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or ABC that will give you money. It's knowing where the market is going. So that's what I'm doing for you, to know where the market is going. So now I decided to label this. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 5 will come here. Maybe after the 5, we get A, B, C. It may not come back to this level again. Then what next? It will go up. So CRO is doing better than some other coins. And the buying is encouraging. In all this, what I'm trying to convey is that don't sell your coin out of fear. If you sell it, you must regret. If you sell your coin out of fear, you must regret. Because when you see the price going up, going to the sky, going to the moon, you'll be regretting. So I'm trying to save you from that such a regret in future. So what do we expect? If we get this, we will shout hallelujah, because we may get this, then and get this. So for now, let's hope if we get this. So let me check 1 hour. This is VET USD. VET USD. Okay, you see the 1 hour. The 1 hour, I'm pretty sure we will get this. Reason is that this move is an impulse, and this is a 3 waves correction: A, B, C. Unless it want to do W, X, Y, X, Z. Even if it do that, it will still go up. But I don't see it doing it. I can see it doing this very one. Okay. ADA USD. Remember, this ADA is a Cardano is a strong. Thank you. Bye bye. ADA is a strong coin. Don't mind that the price is still cheap. It's a strong coin. So and it's broken this very level. The pre-bullish move have been broken. If it doesn't go back, if it continue going up, then wait for it here. Once it come here, it will likely do something like this. Then come back, do something like this, then go up. All the coins are showing signs of we are tired of going down. The only thing I can see and hear the coins saying, we are tired of going down. BTC will say to Ethereum, are you still going down? No, I'm tired of going down. Ethereum will say to Ripple, are you still going down? Ripple will say, no, I'm tired of going down. Ripple will say to BNB, are you still going to the south? No, I'm going to the north. That's the only thing I can see. That's the only thing I can hear the coins saying. So if you listen to the news, they will tell something else. Then you say the coin, they buy and rejoice, and get richer, and you go back to square one. So if this begin to happen, you may get this. But if it happens like this, forget this. You may get, we not get. So that's the lesson. All the coins are doing almost the same thing, though some on a lower degree, some on a higher degree. Okay. Stellar Lumen. Stellar Lumen is also lagging behind, but once it goes above this place, watch for it. Watch for this place. You can see the 1 hour. The 1 hour is now promising because it has broken the down channel. You can see it has broken it. So I expect this to happen. If it does, then this is also expected. Here is where we expect the bullish move to start properly. Okay, I think now we are going to our last coin we are going to analyze, the SHIBA, the darling SHIBA, the favorite SHIBA that many people are waiting for. This SHIBA will make many of our young men rich. Those who don't sell out of fear. The SHIBA, I bought it when the price is high. Reason is that it is a new coin and I see it has potential. When a coin is new, then there's no way you will know whether it will go very deep or not. But you may wait for it to go very deep. It will keep going on. But when the coin have lasted for months or year, I can now tell you, please don't buy now, wait, or please buy, stop waiting. But if it's a new coin, if coin is new and you see it has potential, you may just buy. If it goes down, you have patience. If it doesn't go by, if it goes up, you make it the profit, because you not know whether how long it will take to go down or not. So, but SHIBA is now showing signs of it's going up, man. Cool. So that is it. On 4 hours, I'm looking forward for this move to see something like this. So let's go to 1 hour, and that will be the end. You can see 1 hour have formed a channel. When this happened, I said the bush market is coming. It dropped, and I watched to know whether the dropping will continue. I watched to see whether I will see something like this after this drop, something like this to happen. It did not happen. Then I said we are going up real time. Then this happened. This is just an ABC. So we expect the move to continue up. Okay. Some people used to ask, that's the end of our today's analysis. If you need some other content to analyze, once you join our Telegram channel, I make a request from that place. I will surely make a time to do the analysis for you, but I have covered the much I can for now. Many people ask me how they will join my Telegram channel. Please, in all my videos, let me show you one of my videos. In all my videos, you will always, after watching my videos, just come to this place. Let me show you from this. If you're watching my videos, just come down to this level and click this more. Once you click it, you will see all the links you need. This is the YouTube channel link. This is a WhatsApp link. But I must tell you, I am more regular on Telegram than WhatsApp, because on Telegram I have much people on Telegram. So once you click this very link, you will go straight to my Telegram channel. Then you join. After you join, you also go to the discussion channel, because you will see the link there. Then from there, you will now ask the questions, or if you want to learn what we are doing, you request for students group. We add you there, and you will pay little money, and we teach you what we are doing. Okay, so thank you for watching. Ask your questions, like our video, share our video. If you see anybody looking for who will teach him or her how to trade, how to make an analysis, please refer the person. I'll be glad to receive such people. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.